Hi, and welcome to Tough Top Awnings. Today, we're going to be replacing a Dometic Deluxe slide topper. This is a newer model that has been around for a few years and has a different look. For this project, you'll need a few tools: a couple sturdy ladders, your new replacement vinyl slide topper from Tough Top Awnings, a power drill and a few attachments, a can of spray silicone, and a straight pick. To get started, first, pull your room all the way out. Now, you're going to want to remove your anti-bellowing device. Next, we remove the screws that secure the fabric. In most cases, the set screws are in the top channel going down, but in this case, it's in the bottom going up. Either way is correct, and the screws just need to be removed. Be sure to get both sides. Now we will unroll the fabric around the roller tube and secure the spring tension with our straight pick through this small hole. Not to worry, you only need to do this on one side to secure your spring tension. Give the fabric a good tug and pull it off the coach and the roller tube at the same time. Be sure to take the time to clean the top of your slide out. Also take the time to condition your seal that lives under your slide out topper. Use your silicone lubricant to ease the entry of the new material on the coach, side, and roller tube. We always recommend using a file to grind down any edges before installing the new material in the roller tube. This will also decrease the angle you feed in the material and make the job that much easier. Now it's time to install our new Tough Top awning fabric. Be sure to take your time and feed a little on the coach and then the roller tube. As you can see, this can be done with one person, but a second set of hands will make the job much easier and quicker. Now with the fabric centered, we can remove our straight pick and let the new material wrap up. You can now run your slide in to make sure it's all straight. We now have to reinstall our anti-bellowing device. As you can see, the old holes don't line up, so this anti-bellowing device will not be at the correct angle. On the driver's side, we want it at 1 o'clock and the passenger side at 11 o'clock. The screws are self-tapping, so you can place the two screws where they are needed. Your final step is to reinstall your set screws on the front and on the back. And there it is. Job well done. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to follow us through all the social networks seen here. To see all of our how-to videos, to learn more about Tough Tops and our products, visit us at www.toughtopawnings.com. Thanks again and happy